Thinking about adding a gas fireplace to your home? Let's break down how it works and why so many homeowners love them. A gas fireplace is a great way to add warmth, comfort, and ambience to your space without the mess or maintenance of a traditional wood fireplace. These fireplaces work by using natural gas or propane to produce consistent, controlled heat. With the push of a button, you can get instant flames and reliable warmth exactly where you need it. Gas fireplaces are often used as supplemental heat, meaning they're perfect for living rooms, basements, or open concept spaces where you want extra comfort without overheating the rest of the house. There are a few different styles, including built-in units, inserts, and freestanding models, which makes it easier to find an option that fits both your home and your lifestyle. One of the biggest benefits: efficiency. Gas fireplaces provide steady heat and are easy to operate and require far less maintenance than wood-burning options. That said, proper installation is key. A professional installed gas fireplace ensures safe operation, optimal performance, and compliance with local codes. If you're considering a gas fireplace for your home, our team can help you choose the right unit and handle the installation from start to finish, making home comfort easy.